Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, your host and host, your brother from another mother. Welcome to our show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. Yes, you have heard that right. I'm your Affiliate Uncle, Pankaj Singh. And today, in this episode, I'm gonna talk about what are the best affiliate programs to promote as an affiliate for beginners. But before telling this, I just want to say that, as you know, I have my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. And in that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. And this book is available on Amazon. So if you want to get this book, you have to pay for that. But here I have deal for you. If you want to get this book for free, all you have to do is like, share, comment and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address, that is pankja.singh@gmail.com with the subject Affiliate Commission Secrets. And when I get your email, I will give you free access to read this book. Fair deal? So now, without any delay, let me show you what are the best affiliate programs to promote as an affiliate for beginners. Here you can see that the best affiliate program to promote depends on various factors, including your niche, target audience and personal preferences. However, here are some popular affiliate programs across different niches. So now first one is Amazon Associates. It is one of the largest affiliate programs globally, offering a wide range of products for promotion. So here, if you want, you can go with Amazon Associates. They have different products in different niches, and you can go and start promoting Amazon products as an Amazon Associates. So it's up to you. Second one is ClickBank. It is known for digital products such as ebooks, software and courses. It offers high commissions. With ClickBank, you can find so many products in different niches that you can imagine. So they have large number of products that you can go and start promoting related to your niche. And they have great commission too. So it's up to you. Now third one, Share a Sale. It has a large network of merchants offering products in various niches, making it suitable for diverse audiences. So yes, if you want, you can check out Share a Sale. It is another biggest affiliate network that you can go and join their network, and you can start promoting their products as an affiliate. Next one is CJ Affiliate, formerly known as Commission Junction. It is another well-known established affiliate network with a wide range of advertisers across different industries. So yes, if you want, you can also check CJ Affiliate Network, and they have different products in different niches. But here, what you have to do, first you have to apply to their program, and once you are approved, then inside your Commission Junction or CJ Affiliate Network dashboard, you have to look for the product that you want to promote. And once you know that, okay, yes, this is the product that I want to promote in your niche, then first you have to send the application to the product owner that, hey, I want to promote your product as an affiliate. And once you are approved, then you are able to see the affiliate links inside your Commission Junction account. Right? So this is the process that you have to follow. Rakuten Marketing, formerly known as Linkshare. It is another major affiliate network with a broad range of merchants and products. So yes, if you want, you can apply to their program as an affiliate. You can start promoting Rakuten Marketing products if you want. Next one is Shopify Affiliate Program, ideal for those in the e-commerce space, allowing affiliates to earn commission for promoting Shopify's platform and related products. So if you are into e-commerce, then yes, you can go and check out their affiliate program, Shopify Affiliate Program. So it's up to you. Bluehost Affiliate Program, suitable for affiliates interested in web hosting and related services. So like if you are into web hosting, domain and all that, then yes, you can go and check out Bluehost Affiliate Program, and you can start promoting their program as an affiliate. ClickFunnels Affiliate Program. Yes, this is another affiliate program in the digital marketing space, promoting ClickFunnels software for building sales funnels. So if you are into sales funnel and marketing or online business thing, then yes, you can go and check out ClickFunnels affiliate program. This is one of the program that I have promoted, and by promoting ClickFunnels and it's another product like One Funnel Away Challenge and .com Secrets Book, Traffic Secrets Book. There are, you can say, other products too with this program. By promoting ClickFunnels, I have made over $20,000 in commission. So yeah, this is one of the great product, or you can say great program that you can go and start promoting it. Travel payouts, a great option for those in the travel niche. So if you are into travel niche, you can go and check out travel payouts, and offering affiliate programs for flights, hotels, car rentals and more. So yeah, you can go and check out. Another one is Flex Offers. It provides access to thousands of affiliate programs in various niches, allowing affiliates to find relevant products easily. So yes, this is another affiliate networks where you can find different products in different niches. So you can go and check out. Now here, this is very important. Before choosing an affiliate program, consider factors such as commission rates. You have to go and check out what are their commission structure and what are their commission rates, their cookie duration period, product relevance. By the way, if you don't know what is cookie duration, you can go to the Google and you can search what is cookie duration period. So you will get all the information. Product relevance to your audience, affiliate support. Yes, this is very important. You have to look for how their support is. If you find that their support is good, then you can go and start promoting that product as an affiliate. And the reputation of the company. Yes, this is very important. You must look for what is the reputation of the company that you are going to promote, because everything depends on your goodwill too, right? And this business is all about goodwill, trust. And if you are promoting any product or any company that has no reputation and their products are crappy, then somewhere it will lose your trust, it will lose your goodwill too. So don't be that guy. So check their reputation, check their products too. Additionally, it's essential to comply with the terms and conditions of the affiliate programs and disclose your affiliate relationships transparently to your audience. Yeah, this is very important. Go and check out their terms and conditions carefully. As you know that devil is in the detail. So this is very important. Go and read out their terms and conditions. Normally nobody reads the terms and conditions in detail, but if possible, if you get time, read out their terms and conditions. And this is very important. Disclose your affiliate relationships with the company. Mean to say, like if you are promoting any product, so simply say that below your post or below your website, you can say that, hey, I am an affiliate of this company, and if you buy this product using my link, I will make commission. So say it clearly so that they can get to know that yes, you are an affiliate of this company or this product, right? So maintain the transparency. This is very important. As an affiliate, it's a good practice to have your own affiliate disclosure statement, right? So let me recap it again. What are the programs that you can promote? First one is Amazon Associates, ClickBank. Third one, Share a Sale. Fourth one, CJ Affiliate or Commission Junction. Rakuten Marketing, Shopify Affiliate Program, Bluehost Affiliate Program, ClickFunnels Affiliate Program, Travel Payouts. If you are into travel niche, you can go and check out, and Flex Offers. So these are the programs that you can go and start promoting as an affiliate. Right now, you know best affiliate programs to promote as an affiliate for beginners. And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to help you. I will try my level best to answer you. And yes, if you want to get my book, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, then all you have to do is like, share, comment and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address, that is pankja.singh@gmail.com, with the subject affiliate commission secrets. And when I get your email, I will give you free access to read this book. Fair deal? So now, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.